Good morning to everyone, student. So here we are going to start GK around the global. Okay, this is the GK of class 7th and this is the first cover page of your GK. Clear? Now moving towards the next page after the cover page of your GK. Here we are going to see the content. So space world, all in the universe, know your India, India all the way. These 4 lessons we are going to have in today's class. Clear? Now, so the first lesson we are having as space world. So in your GK, the first lesson is a space world. So what is the first question in the lesson number 1? Find the answers using the clue box. So using the clue box, that means at the last page, at the end of this lesson, a clue box is there. Using that clue box, you can answer it. So a Celsius body which gives off heat and light. Here a Celsius body that gives off heat and light. So you have to name that Celsius body. So that answer is star. Second, a star that suddenly explodes and it's temporarily bright. That is nova. Minor planets composed of rocks orbiting the sun are called asteroid. The energetic and gas charged particles blowing from the sun are called solar wind. Okay, energetic and the charged particles that blowing from the sun, it means coming directly from the sun are solar wind. Okay, next, a collection of billions of stars held together by gravitational force. Collections of billions of stars, by which force it will be get connected? It is get connected with each other by the gravitational force, and when it is get connected, a group of a billion stars together forms a group, and that group is known as galaxy. Okay, then sixth, dash is the dark, temporary and cool spot found on the surface of the sun. So here the answer will be sun spot. A planet with 7 rings around it. So as we know that our solar system is having 9 planets and each planets have their specialty, isn't it? So here we have to name such a planet which is having 7 rings. So that is, what is that name of the planet? It stands. Okay, the 8th question, the planet that has the longest day and night is Venus. A cloud of gas and dust among the stars is nebula. Okay, a cloud of gas and dust among the stars is present, and that gas and dust cloud is said to be as nebula. Moving toward the question number 10, the first planet to be discovered through a telescope is Uranus. A comet that collides with planet Jupiter is dash, that is Shoemaker-Levy. A huge teardrop shaped region around the sun that is full of electrically charged particle is helioscope. Clear? So here the diagrams of the planets is being given. India launched its first space observatory asteroid on September 28, 2015. Okay, here the clue box is being given. If any doubt is there, can look the clue box and answer the following fill-ups in the above. Now, moving towards the next lesson, we are having all in the universe. Here the lesson number 2 is all in the universe. The universe is the vast expanse of space found beyond the earth. It has several heavenly bodies. Find their names from the clue box. Okay, so here we are going to study about the universe. Okay, as we know that universe is a vast expanse of space found beyond the earth. Okay, so here the first fill up in this, a theory which explains an explosive event which marked the origin of the universe is Big Bang. Okay, The outermost part of the sun atmosphere is corona. Okay. This is our home galaxy with the sun as one of its star. It's Milky Way. A system which compares the sun, 8 planets, natural satellites, asteroid, meteoroids are dash, that is solar system. Next, it is a star whose surface temperature is 5530 degrees Celsius, is called sun. These are Celsius body that orbit around the sun and are made up of rocks, metals and gases are planet. The coolest planet to the sun, which takes 88 days for one revolution, is Mercury. This is also called a falling star or shooting star and is causes when a meteoroid enters the earth atmosphere, is known as meteoroids. A piece of rock or metals like substance from space that reaches the earth is called meteorite. Smaller heavenly bodies that orbit around the planet, they are also called moon satellite. This is a natural satellites of our earth and it is the nearest neighbor in space, that is moon. An icy body orbiting the sun, it has a nucleus and a tail made up of gas, dust, is comet. Then here you can see 13th, 14th, 15th fill up together, that is Edmund Hillary, friends of Sir Isaac Newton, revealed a comet that appears once in 76 years. It will reappear in 2062, that is Halley's Comet. The comet that reappears in the year 2011 is Cornell. The instrument used to observe the space is called a telescope. So, moving toward the lesson number 3, know your India. So, here name the capitals of this state. Different capitals name is being given, like Andhra Pradesh, its capital is Hyderabad. Assam's capital is Dispur. Chhattisgarh capital, everybody know that what is the capital of Chhattisgarh, that is Raipur. Goa's capital is Panji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Okay. Then Kerala, Tirunathapuram. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Then Mizoram, that is Aziwal. Punjab, Chandigarh. Nagaland, Kohima. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Telangana, Hyderabad. So these are the name of the states and capital given. You have to answer the capital of those states. Now in the B part, what language is spoken in this place? So Jammu Kashmir, that is Kashmiri, Dongri and Lakhadi. Maharashtra, Marathi. Punjab, Punjabi. West Bengal, Bengali. Sikkim, that is Nepali and Libu. Kerala, Malayalam. Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. Odisha, Odia. Karnataka, Kannada. Goa, Konik. So these are the language we is going to be speak in the different state. So moving towards the lesson number 4, India all the way. So the number indicates on the map of India shows headquarters of some union territory and some important seaports of India. Numbers 1 to 7 are the headquarters of union territory and 8 to 5 are the seaports. So we have to name them. So you can see here the map of India. So from 1 to 7 it is the union territory and from 8 to 15 we have to mark the seaport of India. So first one, the answer is written at the side. You can see here. First one is Chandigarh, second Delhi, then third Silva, then fourth one is Daman, fifth is Kavitri, sixth Puducherry, seventh Port Barrel, 8 Kandala, 9 Cochin, 10th, 11th, 12th, like this the answer is being given. So you can see here Vishakhapatnam, Pardeep, Kolkata, Mumbai. So these are the seaport from 8 to 15 and 1 to 7 is the union territory. So this you have to write in the blank space of India's map. So dear student, here we had completed our lesson number 4. Okay. So for today, thank you everyone.